Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Indeed filters in 2026. Yeah, filters help you quickly narrow down job results so you can find the exact opportunities you're looking for without wasting time. First, open the Indeed app or website and search for a job using the search bar. You can type a job title, skill, or company name. Next, look for the filters button on the results page and click it. This is where you can customize your job search. Now select your preferred job type like full-time, part-time, contract, or internship. Yeah, this helps you focus on the kind of work you actually want. Next, set a salary range if you want to filter higher paying jobs. This is useful if you have a specific income goal. Now choose your location or select remote if you want work from home jobs. So this helps you find jobs in the right place. You can also filter jobs by date posted, like last 24 hours or last 7 days. Yeah, this helps you see the newest job listings first. Once you've selected your filters, click Apply to update your job results instantly. And that's how to use Indeed filters in 2026. Hopefully, this helps you find better job opportunities faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.